How to restore Snapchat streak. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on your profile at the top left corner of the screen. It will lead you to your profile. So here select on the gear icon at the top right corner. That will lead you to settings. Now scroll down to the very end where you can see the option of support and feedback category. So under it, you can see the option of I lost my snap streak. Select on it. So here you have to be very specific about your issue and select on any of this issue that has been described. So I'm going to select on how do I restore my streak, and here it says that if you recently lost a streak, you can restore it with one free streak restore or with an app purchase from the chat feed on your conversation. Also, you can start a new streak with a friend by sending a snap back and forth to each other every day within 24 hours for 3 or 4 more consecutive days. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.